Hey everybody, it's Neil and it's almost ski season, and so that means we need a new ski hat. So here we go. So let's check this one out here. It says it's choshion, choshion, and it's 50% wool, 50% acrylic. So it should be able to keep me warm with the wool, and the acrylic will make it not as itchy and make it a little bit better. So this is it here. It's not ridiculously thick. I don't like them very thick. I like thin ones. And so this is gonna be it here. And there we go on Neil. Boy, that feels good. It's got a good fit. What do you think? So I don't know what color it is. Probably red. But I think it's good. It's a nice feel to it. And it's gonna keep my head warm, and it's not so thick, so I could wear it even under my bike helmet if I needed to, or something like that if it's super cold when I'm biking. And it's got little folds in it there, so I guess it could fold up on that. Fold up once, you can fold up twice, whatever you want to do to make it look nice. So super cool. Nice little one here by choshion. Thumbs up. Oh.